Our first song is Let It Be by the Beatles, and this song has a special place in my heart. It was my parents' favorite when they were young. And I've been listening to it ever since, and it's amazing to see how timeless it is and inspires also kids by the age of 10. So let's do our version of it. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comfort me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. To the sound of music.